Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Ryan. This video is a long time in the making, I think like 4, 5, 6 months, because my computer crashed and I lost half the footage. So what you're going to be seeing is basically only stuff that I filmed on my phone. So it's not like very conclusive. It's not like a tutorial, it's more just watch me make this thing. So this is it. It's August right now and this is very heavy and I'm getting sweaty. So I want to take this off as soon as possible, but bask in its beauty. I'm very happy with this, and if you want to make it, my pattern is on my Etsy at Corduoykidd. I believe this is the one that I did 3 different sizes in. So if you want to match me, go ahead and buy my pattern. Support local artists. I'm poor. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Leave a comment down below of anything you want me to make next, and I'll definitely check it out.